Assalamu alaikum, namaste, and welcome to the news hour with your favorite host in those, Jennifer Rogers. And if you are new to our channel, do not forget to share this video with all your friends and family, and let them know about Qatarday, and do share this video so that they are aware about all the things happening in Qatar and all around the world, so that you get the best and the fastest news about all the things happening around in Qatar. And do follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, so we are available on those platforms as well. And I would just like to wish everybody a very happy Friendships Day. Today is Friendships Day. You all are my friends. Thank you so much for being so supportive and always being there for us. I really appreciate this, and I want to wish everyone a very happy Friendships Day. With that, I have 6 major updates for you today, out of which the first one is, now Qatar's Health Ministry launches about COVID-19 testing campaigns for workers. So now the Ministry of Public Health has launched a COVID-19 testing campaign for workers of beauty salons, barber shops, health club and gyms. Now the testing will happen at Al Arabi Sports Club Gate number 4 on Wednesday and Thursday from 8 am in the morning to 10 pm in the night. According to MOPH, that is the Ministry of Public Health, the workers can collect copy of their COVID-19 test result from building number 323 on the second floor at the Hamad bin Khalifa Medical City between July 29th and August 1st, 2020. Now you have to remember that all the beauty parlors and gyms in Qatar are allowed to open at a limited capacity in the third phase of the lifting of COVID-19 restrictions. Now this has started on July 28, as we all know. Now employees at these salons, barber shops and gym need to obtain a COVID-free negative certificate before working with the customers. So let me just give you a quick review again. If you're one of those guys working in gyms, barber shops and salons, you guys can now go and take the testing campaign. You can get yourself tested from the testing campaign that is going to happen at Al Arabi Sports Club Gate number 4. It's going to start on Wednesday. It's going to be on Wednesday and Thursday from 8 am to 10 pm. And then you can collect later your certificates from building number 323, that's 323, on the second floor at Hamad bin Khalifa Medical City between the 29th of July and the 1st of August. So let me get to the other update of the day, which is driving schools are now ready to reopen in Qatar. So as the easing of COVID-19 restriction entered its third phase in Qatar, driving schools are now preparing to take student drivers to road after a month-long off-halt. Now an official at the Karwa driving school operated by the Muwassilat, the sole public transport, so operated by the sole public transport company in Doha, said it would reopen on August 9th. Now some of the schools have already started admissions, while some have batches of student drivers ready for practical lessons and tests after having finished their theory classes and tests. Now the driving schools were closed on March 22nd as a part of the COVID-19 contaminated measures announced in the response to the pandemic outbreak in Qatar. While on road, training remained suspended until now, but driving schools were permitted to provide theory classes online from July 1st, when the second phase of removing the COVID-19 restrictions began. Now, a senior employee at a driving school at Hilal said it is said that they have started the registration on-road training, and the students will be admitted with strict COVID-19 protocols with prior appointments only. So if you want to go and try, if you want to get admitted for driving classes, you need to take a pre-appointment. Without that, they're not going to entertain. So make sure that you have a pre-appointment with them. Now, Qatar started lifting its lockdown restrictions in 4 phases starting on July 15th, when some mosques, parks and stores in commercial complexes were allowed to open at a limited capacity, among the other rollback of the curbs. Now, the second phase began on July 1st and saw more relaxation. Now the third phase that started on July 28 will see barbershops and gyms opening for the first time in Qatar since the closure following the coronavirus outbreak. So just a quick review to everybody who wants to enroll themselves for driving classes. Now driving classes are going to reopen, so you can go and enroll yourself for sure. With that, let me get to the third update of the day, which is Vande Bharat Mission is now announcing about 14 more flights to India from Qatar. Okay, so the Vande Bharat Mission, the Indian Embassy announces 14 more flights from Qatar. So this is for all the people who wish to go back to India. Now there are 4 more flights that have been announced by the Indian Embassy to go back to India. So Vande Bharat Mission helps repatriated more than 25,000 people from Qatar. Now Indian Embassy has published a new list of Vande Bharat Mission flights from Qatar in August, for which online bookings are now available. So if you wish to go back to India, you have to remember that the online bookings are available. So you can go and book one of the Vande Bharat Mission flights if you wish to go back to your country. Now these include flights operated by Air India Express and Indigo. So there are 3 flights, okay? There's Air India Express and there's Indigo. Now the repatriation mission has carried more than 25,000 people back to India from Qatar so far. So 25,000 people have already been gone to India from Qatar so far. According to the information available on the Indian Embassy Twitter page, Air India Express will operate flights to Kozhikode from August 1st and 8th and Tiruchirappalli from August 3rd, 8th and 15th. Then there's going to go to Kannur from August 5th. Then Trivandrum starts from August 6th and 3rd. Delhi, they have flights August 8th via Jaipur and 9th via Amritsar. And Cochin, they have flight on August 9th. Mumbai, they are going to have flights on August 12th and 14th via Hyderabad. And Chennai, they're going to have flights on August 14th. So if you want, I'm just going to repeat it again for all you guys. The dates of the flights that are going to operate to India. Let me just give you a quick review about that. So Air India Express will operate flights to Kozhikode on the August 1st and 8th. Okay. Tiruchirappalli, they will start from August 3, that's August 3rd, 8th and 15th. Kannur, they have flights on August 5th. Trivandrum, they have flights on August 6th and 13th. Delhi, they have flights on August 8th via Jaipur and on the 9th via Amritsar. Now Cochin, they have flights on August 9th. Mumbai, they have flights on August 12th and 14th via Hyderabad, and Chennai, they have flights on August 14th. Similarly, there are bookings on for Air India flights to Hyderabad, that's on August 5th, Bangalore August 6th, Chennai August 7th, Delhi August 9th and 11th via Jaipur, and on the 12th via Gaya. And Mumbai, it's going to be from August 10th and 13th via Ahmedabad. So as announced by the embassy, Indigo flights from which bookings are open as scheduled Trivandrum from August 3rd and Kochi from August 3rd and Bangalore from August 5th. Meanwhile, the departure of yesterday's Vande Bharat flight from Doha Hamad International Airport, the total number of the repatriated passengers stood at 25,000 according to a tweet by the Indian Embassy. Now, in a related matter, Air India said in a tweet that passengers booking ticket for Vande Bharat flights through travel agents should not pay more than the fares mentioned on the carrier website. So even if you are booking through a travel agent, please do not go and book more than what the fare of the flight is. Okay, just pay whatever the flight fare is shown on the website, even if you are doing it through a travel agent. The passengers facing any issue of overcharging by travel agents may kindly write to us at gmsm@airindia.in. So Air India has very boldly said, please don't go and pay more or excess money to the travel agents, even if you're booking through travel agents. And if they are making you pay more money, then you can write to them and inform them about this particular travel agent who is taking more money from you for your tickets. Okay, so you can just write to them at gmsm@airindia.in. Now with this they have put an entire chart of all the flights that are going to fly from Qatar, the 14 new flights that have started. If you guys want, I can add in this table for you guys. If you want to know about these flights, just let me know and I'll do that. With that, I'll get to the other update of the day, is how Qatar Airlines is now, that's Qatar Airways, has now been named the best airlines in the Middle East for 2020. Yes, you've heard it right. So Qatar Airways, which has been consistently rated as the world's best airline, has been flying past various challenges to expand and continue to serve 1 million of passengers worldwide. So Qatar Airways has won from TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Airline Awards 2020, showing the highest standard and the best quality services provided by passengers by the airline. Now Qatar Airways proudly takes home the Middle East Best Airline, Middle East Best Major, the Middle East Best Business Class and the Middle East Best Regional Business Class at the TripAdvisor's Traveler Choice Airline Awards 2020, the airlines tweeted yesterday. So, Qatar Airways was also recognized as the world's best airlines at Skytrax World Airline Awards held at the prestigious Paris Air Show. Yes, and this latest news brings the national flag carrier to the leading spot of the 5th time with the earlier titles secured in 2017, 2015, 2012 and 2011, reflecting that the airline's unwaveringly commitment to excellence in air travel. So with that, let me get to the other update of the day. Now, as you know that a lot of food courts, a lot of restaurants and food joints have now opened, but yes, the mall courthouses, as in the food courts in the malls, are still not open. So what the Mall of Qatar has done now, Mall of Qatar has installed mannequins in restaurant seats to maintain safe distance for diners, which I think is such an innovative idea. I don't know how they come up with these things, but it's so nice. So Mall of Emirates offers dine-in options in the safest shopping during Eid al-Adha. What they've done, they've put mannequins and have installed around the restaurant to provide social concept and maintain a safe distance between diners. Can you imagine how creative this is? Now the Mall of Emirates welcomes Al Rayyan channel starting July 29 for the competition program Falek Al Force, giving customers valuable prizes as a part of its mission and retraining its commitment with consumers. Mall of Qatar is ready to welcome Eid al-Adha with a fascinating way of offering visitors beautiful ambience to enjoy memorable Eid moments, a creative shopping experience and a variety of dine-in options in its restaurants and cafes. Now, with the start of the third phase of the gradual lifting of restrictions and to mark the Eid occasion, Mall of Emirates welcomes its visitors with joy and excitement, positioning itself as a favorite destination to live memorable moments with strict precautionary safety measures. Now, the restaurants and cafe in the mall are all set to receive diners in their premises with limited capacity and safety standards that ensure protection, including social distancing among tables as well as staff following best health measures. Adding excitement to the ambience, the Mall of Qatar installed dressed mannequins in the restaurant and cafes to enjoy or ensure safe distance creatively. Now the mannequins will be dressed in a clothing from various stores around the mall as a gesture to reflect the Mall of Qatar's customer care and carrying out initiative that would add new dimensions to their visit. Now arriving at the mall, the visitors will be attracted by the magnificent lift facade. Now the Eid decoration reflected with the joy of occasion and add to the unique shopping experience in a different sector, including fashion, perfumes, accessories, cosmetics, body shops, and more. Now, the general manager of the Mall of Qatar said that the Mall of Qatar is not only a mall for shopping, but it also is a destination where all the guests and the customers can spend most of their joyful time. Thanks to the wide range of shopping options we have, whether for Eid preparations or Eid days, restaurants and cafes are ready now for dine-in and serving guests for takeaway or dine-ins. Now, and I take this opportunity to congratulate the people of Qatar and wish them happy and safe shopping experience with the precautionary measures we have taken. In light of the current situation, the Mall of Qatar is thrilled to offer guests memorable moments and chances to win valuable prizes. So yes, if you want to shop for Eid and if you want to get a lot of valuable prizes, if you want to get some gifts and some prizes, you can certainly go to the Mall of Qatar and do a lot of shopping, because they're going to give out various gifts for all the shoppers. Okay, so for us as guests remain our top priority. We work hard to be creative with our initiative and programs to help them overcome their difficult times, give them a space to breathe in their favorite destination, the nation's mall. So this is what the Mall of Emirates had to say. In addition, they also said that the excitement continues with Al Rayyan TV competition program Falak Al Fazul Lucky to Win, which will be filmed in the mall from July 29th August till August 1st from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Now the competitive program gives customers who answer the questions correctly an opportunity to win a valuable prize for one of the stores in the malls, including rickshaw and a lot of so it's a competition. If you win it, you get various prizes from one of the stores that is there in the mall. For those staying at home, winning a prize is still a chance. Mall of Qatar is launching a social media competition, and followers who answer the question correctly will have an opportunity to win valuable prizes from different brands. Now, the Mall of Qatar opens its door from Wednesday, July 29th to August 2nd from 10 a.m. until 12 midnight, while F&B outlets will close at 1 a.m. So you have to remember this, okay? The Mall of Qatar urges all visitors to follow the instructions at the entrance to ensure the safety and health of visitors, employees and tenants. Now all visitors entering the mall should show the green code of Qatars app on their mobile. So this is mandatory, guys. Wherever you go in Qatar, you have to have the green status on Qatars app. Without that, they're not going to let you go anywhere, even if it's a grocery shop, okay? So you have to have a green status on your Qatars app on the mobile phone, okay? You need to wear a mask and always maintain social distance. So if you're planning to visit the Mall of Qatar, remember you have to follow these instructions, that you cannot go without having a green status on your Qatars app. You have to wear a face mask no matter what, and you have to maintain social distance in public, okay? Now, customers can also collect face masks and gloves from the customer service desk if required. So if you are one of those people who've forgotten or something, if you've gone there, if your mask is broken or something, don't worry. You can still go to the customer service center, and there they will give you face mask and hand gloves if you need them, okay? Throughout the mall corridor and hallways, more than 70 hand sanitizers have been stationed and installed, allowing visitors to sanitize their hands regularly. Besides, the mall installed 80 handrail UV sanitizers to regularly sanitize the handrails of the escalators and protect customers while moving in the mall. So all these preparations have been already done by the Mall of Qatar to look after all you guys. Now what they have done is they have placed around 70 hand sanitizers all around the mall. So if you go there, you need to wash your hands or something, you know, to sanitize yourself, you can do that. So don't worry, even if you're going to the mall, you are safe. They have kept UV sterilizers on the, you know, on the lifts and on the escalators. So wherever the metal touches there, they've always kept things so that it's protective for you. So if you plan to go visit Mall of Qatar in this Eid holidays. Please do go where you have a lot of exciting prizes also waiting for you. So I would suggest go spend your Eid there. With that, I'm done with all the updates for today. Thank you so much for logging on to Qatarday. Keep loving, keep supporting, keep watching Qatarday, the pulse of the nation. Me, your host in those, Jennifer Rogers. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. And if you guys want to ask me any question about Vande Bharat Mission, about what flights are there, if you guys want me to post the, you want me to post a table, I'll post it in the comment section. Just let me know you want that. If you want any information about how to travel to Qatar or anything that you need, just put it down in the comment section, guys, and I'll get back to you. And with that, I'm done with all the updates today, and I will say bye for now. And remember to stay home and stay safe. Until then, bye-bye, Khuda Hafiz. I'll see you guys. And happy Eid in advance. Bye-bye.